Good morning guys! Linggo ngayon. Ngayon yung binyag ng baby ni Jess. So, pupunta kami sa binyag. It's already 9:06 ng umaga. And yeah, I'm just getting ready. Magme-makeup lang ako guys. Tapos kailangan ko pa i-wrap yung present niya. Hindi ko na-wrap kagabi. So, yung primer na gamit ko is the Hourglass Veil Mineral Primer. Ito yung aking pangmalakasan na primer. Yung gagamitin kong makeup today is yung mga pangmalakasang makeup ko. We will leave here in siguro 40 minutes. So may time pa naman ako. I think my makeup will take 15 to 20 minutes. And then yung gagamitin ko na foundation guys is yung pangmalakasan nating foundation. Asa na yan? Estee Lauder na foundation. Double Wear Stay in Place Makeup. This one is in the shade 4N1 Shell Beige. Ganyan. Brush. Buti na lang, hindi lahat ng brushes ko hinugasan ko kasi hindi naman lahat madumi. So, I'll use the biggest paddle brush. Or pwede naman akong magamit ng sponge. Kaya lang nakakatamad i-damp pa yung sponge. Say something, I'm giving up on you. Ayan guys, tao na tayo guys. Tapos ko na yung makeup ko. Hindi pa ako nag-apply ng lipstick kasi magko-coffee pa ako. So yung nasa mukha ko is the Estee Lauder Double Wear, yung Stay in Place makeup. My highlight is the Becca Champagne Pop. And then my blush is the Hourglass Ambient Diffused Heat. Yung shade niya. Diffused Heat yung shade. Yes, ito. Lighting blush. The mascara is the Heroin Make. And eyebrows is the Detail Make Brow. Yun lang. Powder is the Becca. Yung malakasan ko na powder. Okay. Mag-ano tayo? Coffee. Ito yung 3-in-1 Brown and Creamy. Thank you, Roslyn. Bigay sa akin ni Roslyn. Okay. I-wrap natin tong present para sa baby ni Jess, guys. So, meron to. Ito yung parang go-to present ko na kapag yung bata is parang less than 1 year old. Or, like, 6 months pataas. Kasi ang cute niya, guys. And si Jess, timing na timing. Kasi gustong-gusto niya yung elephant. And ito, yung card ko sa kanya, elephant din. Mommy elephant and baby elephant. So cute! Hindi ko pa nasulatan kasi hindi ako marunong magsulat-sulat ng mga ganyan. Anyway, yung isa is parang walker ba to? Yan, ang cute kasi meron pa siya talagang doll, oh. So, parang wino-walk niya yung doll niya. Diba? Bongga. Okay, wrap natin to guys. This one is easy. Yung malaki, kasi square lang siya. Yan yung medyo mahirap i-wrap, but let's do this. Si Dan, kagigising lang guys. 9:35 na. And aalis kami 9:50. Ito, hindi ito. Kasha eh. I-wrap ko na sana siya, kaya lang kasi ito, hindi to kasha. Umalis ka dyan. Gusto ko, same yung wrapping paper para alam ni Jess na like, magkasama tong dalawa. So, ito na lang yung gagamitin ko para sa... Ano ba yan? Ito na lang yung gagamitin ko para sa dalawang present. Ito yung mga binibili namin, guys. Yung walang happy birthday. Yung walang mga words para pwede namin siya gamitin sa kahit na ano. So, ito na yung go-to na pang-gift namin kung babae. And then, ito pwede lalaki or babae. Diba? Para sa akin, pwede din naman to lalaki o babae. Uy, alam nyo ba, ito actually yung gusto kong trabaho. I think may point sa buhay ko na gusto kong maging, mag-work sa checkout, tapos pwede ka din mag-wrap sa checkout. Like, nakikita mo sarili ko yung ganun. Na-mention ko na sa video ko, na gusto ko talaga matry magtrabaho sa checkout. Yung yung ring ko, yung nagsascan ng mga binibili ng mga tao. Gusto ko gawin yun. Cashier. Yeah, sa checkout na. Dito, nagagawa ko yun eh. Sa Australia, nagagawa ko siya kasi may self-checkout. So, okay na. Parang, naano ko yung gusto ko. Pero, yeah. Gusto kong matry magtrabaho sa yung checkout tapos magra-wrap ka. Bongga yan. Hindi naman ako like, sobrang galing mag-wrap. Pero, na-enjoy ko siya gawin. Si Dan, maliligo pa lang yun. Tapos ihatid pa namin kaila yung pot guys. Kasi magluluto sila ng bulalo. Kung wala daw siyang kaldero na malaki. So, hihiramin niya yung amin. Guys, yung suot ko is this top that I got from Temp. Black lang siya, guys, na parang meron siyang swimsuit na ganun. And then my skirt is from Shein. And then my shoes is from Muy Bien Bonita. Bag from Rebecca Minkoff. And then my coat is from Boohoo. Yun lang. And my earrings. I'm wearing the earrings that you gave me, babe. Michael Kors? Is it?
Yep.
Yeah, Michael Kors. And hindi ko suot yung necklace kasi hindi din naman kita. And then just my everyday, oh my gosh, my ring! My everyday bracelet, yung bigay sa akin ni Dan from Orton, and then I'll get my rings. Okay, thank you, babe. Hindi sumasagot si Lyra, guys. So ito, idadrop ko na lang sa labas ng bahay nila. Tulog pa yun. Babaeng talaga, uy. Drop ko na lang to sa sa gate. Wala namang magnanakaw nito, diba? Malapit na kasi kami, tinawagan ko siya twice na, wala. Papunta na kami, guys. Medyo late kami ng flight. We plan to leave at 9:50 ng umaga. Kaya lang nagising siya 9:35 lang. Nung nagising pa siya, sabi niya sa akin, "Babe!" Sabi ko, "Ha? I'm still in bed." Sabi ko, "Oh, iti, umano ka na. Maligo ka na."
Gotta wake me up.
Sabi niya late na. No, I didn't even notice the time, to be honest. Because I snoozed your alarm. Yeah, I did. I told you when I woke up, I was like, I snoozed it for you. Nagpa-alarm siya 8:30, nagising 9:35. I woke up at, alarm ko 8:30, and then I snoozed it for 10 minutes. Pero hindi talaga ako natulog ulit. Chill lang for 5 minutes, and then, got up and took a shower. So, I got up at around 8:35. You got up 1 hour later. Yeah, so nagmamadali na siya. But you look good, babe. Look guwapo. Now, dinaan ko lang yung yung kaldero kasi sila hindi sumasagot. So nilagay ko lang sa I need to text her. Nilagay ko sa sa likod ng sasakyan nila sa baba yung kaldero. And I have 19% left on my battery. How many percent do you have left? Ooh, I'll charge mine. 95. Ay, shit. Okay. I gotcha, babe. Don't worry. Don't you worry. Tinanggal natin yung map, guys. Okay.
Turn right onto Lower Portrush Road.
Good, oh, good. Yung binyag magsa-start 10:30. And it's now 10:06. So we will be there just right on time. Is it cold? It's actually not too bad. Ano lang siya, magiging sobrang malamig siya maya-maya sa reception kasi pupunta kami sa Dolphin Cruise. Si Jess kasi, yung family ni Jess yung may-ari nun. Nakapunta na kami doon last time, guys. Nag-vlog nga kami. Yung kasama ko, sila Jess, sila Devenda. And Devenda is coming as well. So, yes, kami tatlo. Ito si Meita. Ang cute. Yan. Yan si Meita. Did we bring the gift, babe?
Yeah.
Yeah. Sa likod. And ito yung gamit ko na naman na bag, yung Rebecca Minkoff. 1.8 kilometers, babe. Hampstead Road. So yung laman niya, yung mga necessities lang talaga. Alam niyo ba, hindi ko nakita yung yung Still Last Day All Day ko na na liquid lipstick. So yung gamit ko is yung Kami na from Colourpop. Anyway, yung laman ng bag is ito, nakita ko na. Tagal ko na itong hindi nakita. Nawala to. Nakita ko na siya sa isang bag lang pala. Albalon eye drops para sa mata. Eye drops nga, diba? Ito, nagdala ako ng guys, options para sa lips ko ba, just in case. Pero okay lang naman to, okay lang naman, diba? Anyway, I brought 2 of the soft touch auto lip liner. Ito yung from Etude House. Meron tayong may pagka brown at saka may pagka din, nude din. And then ito yung Kami na lipstick na nasa lips ko ngayon. And then I brought extra as well, and then tissue. And then yung nandito sa loob is yung mga cards na driver's license, pera, at saka panty liner, just in case. And sa likod, yung invitation ni Jess. Guys, we're just right on time. And yung church, nandun lang, lakadin lang namin ng flight. And malamig siya, pero hindi ganun kalamig na kailangan ko mag-coat. Nakita ko si Jess dun sa labas ng church eh. Nakita ko na din si Devenda at saka yung wife niya. So yeah. Yeah, it's windy, but okay lang. Hindi na kailangan ng coat. Maya-maya na sa Dolphin Cruise yung coat natin. Si Dan. Looks good. Yung shoes niya is from Landmark.
And if there are other children in the congregation who would like to be close by to see what's happening, I invite you to come forward now, and you can sit in the pew at the front here so that you can have a better look at what's happening and be reminded of what happened to you when you were baptized, if you've been baptized, or
Go kids.
what might happen to you.
McDonald's kami, guys. Dan will have his coffee kasi wala siyang time mag-coffee kanina. Fries yung unang dumating, guys. We ordered coffee. Coffee para sa kanya at saka para sa akin. And then, dalawang cake as well. Kakain naman kami mamaya dun sa sa cruise. Kaya lang, gutom na ako. Wala pa akong breakfast. Tapos si Dan wala pa siyang coffee. So, yeah. Just eating. Our coffee is here. What did you get? Cappuccino?
Yep.
Did you get cheesecake? Is that cheesecake?
Cheesecake.
Yep. Yung akin is cinnamon scroll. Pero nilagay namin siya dito, guys. Kasi I don't think I will eat that today. Kailangan lang namin bumili ng cake at saka coffee kasi yun yung nasa voucher. So we're only paying for one set. Yan lang. Tapos ito yung akin free. We paid for this. But, you know, sa voucher kasi complimentary coffee and cake. How's your cake, babe?
Good.
Good? Yung cinnamon scroll, napakita ko na to sa last vlog ko, guys. Yan. Yummers. And then my coffee. How many sweetener did you put in here?
Ask for two.
Two? Okay. Thank you, babe. Guys, naglalakad na kami papunta sa
Did I put it
port.
next to that mural over there?
No, the lighting's chuck. Maybe. Do you want to do it? What time is it? Do we have time?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it. Nag-photoshoot kami, guys. Kasi maraming mga magagandang mga murals, tapos yung mga buildings, magaganda yung mga nila, mga pinto. Pinto talaga. Nag-pictorial kami ni Dan. Okay. Guys, nandito kami sa market, yung malapit lang sa port, and gusto to na Dan na yung mga ganito eh. So, alright. Ang cute naman ito. $5, guys.
Hello.
Pencil sharpener. Where do you sharpen the pencil? Oh, cute. Pwede ito sa yung mga eyeliner.
I got one here.
And dito din. Ito mayroong ganito.
There's a
Cute.
little horse carriage.
Yeah, $5. Not bad, ha?
No.
And typewriter. Oh, hello. Ang cute nito, babe.
How cool that is. Like, how vintage is that?
What is that?
Hair clippers. Yeah, got this.
Oh, cool. An old school one.
Yeah, also.
Panggupit. Ooh. How much is it?
$12.
And the small one is $10. May mga books din dito, guys. Papunta na kami sa port kasi magbo-board na yung boat or cruise. Binigyan kami ni Jess ng bracelet. And then card as well para sa food at saka sa drink. Nandito sa bag ko.
That's just.
Very much. Welcome aboard.
Thanks!
How you going? Thank you very much.
Dolphin Explorer. Dito na kami, guys. Sa loob. So negative. You can do it. Kailangan nilang guys, i-separate.
Wait, I'll hold it like this. No.
We have a special menu. Made this christening. Nagubad siya kasi mainit. Which one?
What did we get last time?
I don't remember. Nagpalit siya, guys. Party dress.
Those presents
It's Jess.
with the colourful wrapping tape, they're ours. We left the card at home. So if you
That's alright.
we left the card at home. Maybe you do give
So cute!
give it to Jess. Give it to Jess. They can have the tiger.
The godfather has a present! Ooh! She hates you now.
I'm gonna give one to mate. They're friendship elephants.
Oh!
Awesome chocolate.
Thank
I
you!
love that chocolate.
Thank you! Yes, of course you love it. Thanks!
Put those in your bag so don't forget. Like friendship elephants.
Okay.
So one's for Davinda, one's for Mater.
Oh, like those.
Aww.
Like the dog.
Oh, that's cute!
Look at that.
Oh, that's so cute.
Aww, they're tiny!
Wood? No, they're not wood. They're fine.
Oh, they're nice.
So you give one to Meta?
Yeah, it's like forget me not.
Oh, she loves you again. Aw.
Thanks, yes.
Just is like, open the rest.
That one next.
That one? It should be in order.
It's halfway there.
Ah.
What is it? Aww. That's sweet.
I know what it is.
Do you?
I think Davinda knows as well, yeah.
Yeah, that's for the frame.
It's a Buddha frame?
Oh, I have a thought.
I was like Buddha. I was like Buddha frame. Why Buddha? Show us. Oh,
That's pretty good.
oh, that's sweet. Uncle Devenda. That's cool. Very creative indeed. It's really cute. Calamari. Snake show.
Strip the subway inside and outside completely.
Nice. Just got a new car. Is it brand new? No. It looks brand new.
It looks, yeah.
Yeah. It looks how.
You'll be able to fit the presents in, so you just...
Yeah.
Oh,
Ah, okay.
well then maybe not. Maybe mum might be alright.
I got pram full of presents. No, it looks really good, Jess. Ganda ha. Mamang mama ka na talaga. Ikaw na talaga, Jess. Papunta na kami sa car park, guys. Lamig na. Kaya nilagay ko yung coat ko kasi ang lamig paglabas namin sa boat. Malamig na siya. Nung nasa loob kami, okay lang. Kasi nasa loob kami tapos may heater sa loob. Pero nung lumabas na, my gosh, ang lamig-lamig. So, naglalakad lang kami papunta sa parking. And then, mamayang gabi, punta kami kina Lyra. So, nagbulalo sila. Yung sarap. Sobrang gustong-gusto ko yung shoes from Muy Bien Bonita. Guys, tas kasyang-kasya siya sa akin. And, hindi din siya ganun kahirap kasi square yung heel niya. Gusto ko siya, guys. Muy Bien Bonita. Meron silang Instagram. I did post a picture on Instagram sa aking OOTD. So, kung gusto nyo makakita ng mga ganun, char, itatag ko din yung kung saan galing yung mga suot ko at simply_rays. And now, we will head home. How was it, babe?
It was alright.
It was good. Circus, guys. Guys, you can't scare me. I have triplets. And then it says triplets +1. So they've got 4 kids. Oh my gosh.